Guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for clicking on my video. Today on this video guys, I'll be sharing with you guys how you can make good sum of money online doing trading with spot trading on Bybit or Bitget or Men's app. Spot trading is different from futures trading and it's also totally different from forex trading. Although they use similar analysis to enter the trade, but the difference between spot trading and futures trading or forex trading is that in spot trading you can only buy and you cannot sell. While in futures trading or forex trading you can buy and you can sell. Let me explain to you this. On Bitget, if you want to get yourself involved in creating spot trading on Bitget, first thing you need to do is to download the Bitget wallet. This is our Bitget app or Bitget app. Where you download it. Now let me show you guys a little of this is a small account that I'm using. My first account, I have good sum of money in it, but then this account is purposely for this video. I want to use this account to share with you guys how I trade and also how I make my profit. So guys, if you look at my profit today, I have 35 cents, 9 cents and 20 cents. So guys, from this video I'll be sharing with you a little tips on how to do your spot trading on Bitget. The tokens you need to buy when they are falling, and then you sell it when they are rising. From this video you also learn when to buy the actual token when they are falling and then wait for your profit so you can sell it and get your profit. So guys, it's very simple. First thing you need to do is, once you're in this app, remember I told you that spot trading is different from futures trading or forex trading. So if you want to get into spot trading, after opening this app, you can click on spot. When you click on spot, from here you can search for any token or currency that you want to trade on. But recently, even if you have any token that you want to trade on, you can search for it. But then if you don't have any token you want to trade on, you can easily access the token that you see here. Remember I told you that spot trading is different from futures trading. So let's use this Trado as an example. Now this is the Trado. I traded this Trado today and I made a profit of 40 cents. Why? Because I use small capital and a very little loss size to do the trading. So if I had used a big capital and much more bigger loss size, I would have made a huge sum of money on this Trado app. Now when you open the token, you click on trade. Now this is the trading. Now if you look at this analysis, at this thing is reading, here we have B31 and we have S65. Okay, now once you see this thing trading, know that this token is selling, like the price is depreciating. When we say sell, we mean that the price is falling. Now let's click on this candlestick and see. Now if you look at this, you see that the price is falling. So in as much as this price is falling, you allow it. Always check, always come back. If this is the token that you want to, trade, always come back to check on it, like every 1 hour time. Always come back to check on it. You can also check on other tokens also, because focusing on one token might take you a whole lot of time before you can make good money. So you can just focus on another token. As you are monitoring this token, you also monitor another token also. So guys, first of all, as this thing now is reaching to 52, as the sell price is at 60%, all you need to do is to enter this market, or probably when you check your candlestick, You see, this is where I made my profit. Let me show you guys. From here, I made profit in the morning from here to this point. So if I had traded with enough capital, I would have made a whole lot of profit. Okay, so all you need to do is to keep monitoring this. You keep monitoring this candlestick here. At a point, it must come down to a sell. It must gradually come down to a sell a little. Once it comes down to a sell, maybe to this extent, you see it's still selling. Once it comes down to a sell, maybe to this extent, you can now click on. You go back to your chart or to your trading platform. Then you click on buy. When you click on buy, if you want to buy the whole Trado/USDT, you need to do is to scroll this arrow to this. If you want to buy the whole of it, you scroll it to the 100%. Now you click on. Once you click on buy, automatically is going to buy. Now you allow it. Spot trading, you may trade spot trading like about 1 day or 2 days. Okay, that's one good thing about spot trading. The risk is very minimal, unlike future trading or forex trading. So guys, this is the simple way I analyze my trade. Also, let's also try and look for other currencies. Here you have the SRP USDT. Let's see how the candles. Okay, from here you see the SRP have reduced. I'm already trading this currency. I'm already trading this. Let's check my asset. Let me show you guys. I'm already trading this SRC. Okay, I'm already trading the SRC currency. I'm already trading it. So I saw that it was going for a sell. I know it was going for a sell, and it reached to an extent that it stopped. Was what I was telling you guys. It reached to an extent that it stopped here. Then I entered my buy. Okay, so I know for sure it is going to start buying. In as much as it has reached here, it will start buying. So guys, that's the easiest way to analyze your trading on spot trading and make good sum of money online. Please subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos I will be making on how to make money online, and stay tuned.